Hello, today we're gonna be unboxing some good shit. Hello, today we're gonna be unboxing something today, and we're gonna test out this new camera too. Let's see it here, and yeah. So put this here, unboxing time. Okay. Okay, let's unbox this item. I'll start here. And here. Can you see that? Okay. Pull it out. Okay. Why is it so complicated? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Boxing. Can you see this? Can you see this box right here? I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it. I don't want to cut anything in there, just some. It's a green screen curtain, so if I cut it, then I ruin it. So I don't want to cut through it. Okay. Almost done, just need to get this part. Okay, we got it. Okay, so open it up. Alright. Got it. Alright, let's see what's in this amazing box. So it's a green screen curtain from Amazon. It was like $100. Okay, we got this thing right here. It's heavy. It's a tripod, I think. I think these are lights. Let me fix my camera angle. Get up higher. Okay, so I'm gonna record it here. And then here, see that? Okay, what goodies do we have in here today? I don't know what goodies we got in here today, but it's good shit. Alright, I'm just gonna pull it out. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So, one, 2, 3, 4, umbrella, 5, umbrella again, 6, Emart card. Guess that's the brand. Here's some clips. Here's another clip. Here's another. The instructions to set up the curtain. Here's the green screen, yeah. And here's another box. There's 2 more in here. There's 2 more in there. Let's go get it real quick. Okay. And that's everything. That's everything, okay? We can put this box away now. Alright, so I'm gonna open every one of these items here. And should be 2 lights in here and a tripod to hold the lights. And then we're gonna set up the green screen. Put it like right here too. Let me read the instructions. Read the instructions. Okay, so let's see what the instruction says. The instruction says. Okay, no. The instruction says. I can't read this because I don't know how to read. Okay. The instruction says. Okay. Here's the instructions. Can you see the instructions? Can you see instructions? Can you see instructions? Yes, you can. Can you see instructions? Okay, so let's see. It says here, Emart photography. Product in introduction parts. And then we got all this stuff. Light bulb holder, muslin backdrop. What's that? Background support system, photo umbrella reflector, photo light stand, light bulb. How to use. Hold pressing the spring point, then put into the tube. What? Put what into the tube? Insert bulb into light holder as shown and screw bulb until it fits snug into the socket. Okay. I don't know how that works, but I think I can figure that out. Let me open everything up. Okay, we got umbrella here. Okay, let me see. This might be the tripod for one of the lights, or 2 of the lights. Oh, it's so complicated. This one's broke off. Open this. Okay, open this. There's something here, plastic tab in here. Oh, there it is. Okay. Out. There it is. It's one of them. Okay. Ooh, there. It's wow. It's heavy. It's pretty heavy. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Look at that. Damn. Okay. So I'll just set it up at the rest. I'll just set up the rest right now. Okay. I'll put this aside in the corner somewhere. That's weird. How do you get it to lock? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's how you do it. It splits like that. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. I don't know about your video, but here's the second tripod. Okay, I guess I have to put my face into this. Okay. Alright, let's finish up this unboxing video. Okay, let's see there. Okay, can you see that? Okay. Okay, set it up. Set it up like this. Oh, whoa, 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 that's crazy. Whoa, whoa. And then you lock it up. What? And then you lock it up. And it shouldn't move anymore. Okay. Okay, so that's how I set it up. And then there's this umbrella here. I don't know what it's for, but I'm gonna figure that out later. Okay, I think I have light bulbs in here. I think I have light bulbs in here. Light bulbs. Wait, this is not a light bulb. This is... What is this? It might be the light adapter. What is this switch? So that's not the light bulb.